So, hi everyone. I just want to share to you this is a post for, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a post for, what do you call that? Bird's house I ordered from Amazon. So, I just arrived today because, oh, by the way, I just learned last night, that my zone hardiness has changed from zone 5B to zone 6A. Wow. Well, I'm happy with that because it's a little warmer, meaning my hydrangea is in a little bit safe side now, somewhat. There's a big chance that I'm gonna have more blooms, but of course I still need to cover some of them when I'm in the mood. If not, then no. So I just want to share to you, this is only, how much? This is cheap, 18.99 including shipping, and then it arrived after 4 days. Oh, there is no shipping. I think this is free shipping. Yeah, I think it is. There you go. Here it is. Let's check. It says outdoor bird house pole. I said post, but pole? Okay, it's a pole. So I'm wrong. Just like what my kid says. My English is 9% wrong, 10% somewhat right. And then they blame me because I've been in America for so long and I can still speak English. That's what they said. I said, that's nice of them. Wait a minute. 5 base prongs, whatever. 2 different ways of use. Suitable for different types of bird feeders. Well, my bird feeders and bird's house. My bird's house is particularly for eastern bluebird, because I always have like 2 pairs of eastern bluebirds that come to our yard yearly. But the problem this time is I took down the old arbor. I actually moved it. So I don't know if they're gonna come back. I'm just hoping. So that's it. Then I'll show you later, how it looks like, because the other one I ordered it from Home Depot, kind of expensive, but this one is cheap, 18 something, 18.99, free shipping, I know. Okay, from Amazon. Alright, bye.